got it?
Yep. Well, he likes blueberries.
He does.
Look at him go to town.
Look at Betsey. Look at. It's like, why? Why? He's so good. Look at Bets. Betsey doesn't like them. You want some, Bets? Want to eat it? Eat it, baby girl. You don't want it? You just, yeah, you do. She's like, why the camera?
It's so funny, they don't like the skin, they just like the inside.
I gotta get another one.
Here.
I gotta give some to Bets, Max. Here, Bets. It's okay, Bets. Here, baby. Here. Her head is all pushed back. She's like, I think I like it. Here, Max. Come here. Max, come here. Up here. Come on. Come on. Right here. Come on. No, okay. You want it? That was supposed to be for Maximo meals. You want some?
It's so goofy the way he stands up like that.
He's my damn chipmunk. Right here, Harvey. You eat him really fast.
And then the trash can back there goes at it.